Hey, everybody, it's Frank the Mouse, and we want to welcome you to another segment of It Ain't Easy Being Cheesy. Glad to see you folks here. We're so fondue of all of you. All right, today's topic is dinosaurs, everybody. All right, I got some questions for you. What do you call a sleeping dinosaur? Huh? 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 A dinosaur. Get it? Okay, here's another one. How do you know if there's a dinosaur in your refrigerator? Huh? 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 It's easy. The door won't shut. All right, everybody. I got another kitchen joke. Okay, what kind of floors do dinosaurs have in the kitchen? Huh? Reptiles. Get it, reptiles. Oh yeah, I bet that's cold on your feet, huh? All right. Why was the Stegosaurus such a good volleyball player? Imagine that, a Stegosaurus playing volleyball? Huh? Yeah. He was so good because he could really spike the ball. Get it? Spikes. Get it? He has spikes all over. Oh, wait. What does a triceratops sit on, huh? A triceratops? He sits on a bottom. All right. And what do you get when a dinosaur scores a touchdown, huh? A dinosaur! Oh, I got another one. Don't worry, don't worry. What did the dinosaur use to build his house? Anybody? Huh? Not a hammer, not some nails. No, he used a dinosaur. Huh? That's funny. I felt like somebody was behind me. Don't worry, I got more. How can you best raise a baby dinosaur? Anybody? Huh? With a crane? Huh? What? You saw somebody? Where? Back here? I don't see nobody. Ah, baby D! You come back here, Frank! Come back here! Oh, I think I lost him. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! 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 No!